I was very excited about those PA strips as well.
So was I, seriously.
Right. Juhi?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There is an advantage and a disadvantage when you're coming last. The disadvantage is, a lot of the things you want to say have already been said. The advantage is you can say just a little and get away with it. But I'd like to talk a little about Dr. Pai. It was quite some years ago when we met. I can't quite remember exactly when, but I still remember the impression I had when I first saw her. I was like, wow, isn't she stunning? I was stunned, she was just so beautiful. And over the years, I found it's not just that she's beautiful on the outside, she's also very beautiful on the inside. Just yesterday, I read something that I'd like to share with you. The most beautiful people we have known are those who have known suffering, known defeat, known struggle, known loss, and have found their way out of their depths. These people have an appreciation, a sensitivity, and an understanding of life that fills them with compassion, gentleness, and a deep, loving concern. Beautiful people don't just happen. That's Dr. Jamna Pai. And now to the book. Just like a juice is packed with vitamins, this is a book that's packed with great tips, simply written for every woman to know. From, like she just mentioned, kitchen remedies, simple things that you can do at home, to the latest techniques in skincare. I mean, absolutely everything. Dr. Pai, you named it, no one has to know, and now everyone is going to know. Thank you so very much for this. This is a must-have for, I think, every woman who cares about how she looks, which is absolutely everybody. And men, she says, of course, and men, and there's a lot of men right here. So yes, this is a simple-to-read, must-have book. You must have it. And now, I'd like to read from it. Since I was coming last, I kind of opened the last page and found a gem over there once again. There's never a time that is too late to delay the process of aging and make those wrinkles wait a little. You can start now, immediately, after you've read the last sentence of this book. But you have to always remember why you are doing it in the very first place. You're doing it to make yourself happy. Embrace your decade. Love yourself. Because even when you use the most sophisticated anti-aging treatments that exist, without self-acceptance and self-love, they are of no use. This book may have been packed with tips about age-defying techniques, but this last part is the best advice I could ever give you. Dr. Jamna Pai. A few guys saw the lovely, beautiful lady, Dr. Jamna Pai.
When you say last, certainly not least. That was beautiful. While we have you lovely ladies on stage, I'm going to invite Kokila Ben to come up on stage one more time. Jamna, can we have you on stage one more time? We'd like to have Kokila Ben present a small token from
now, the next few days, we are taking a look at these women who have been helped by them. That's called Chow Shelters. There are these plastic surgeons who are going to work on them. Whatever little contribution, starting with this little one. they need my help, the non-surgical aspect, and after that, if they want rehabilitation in the beauty line, you can work from home. I want to do that for them. I think it's high time giving back to society. Amita, thank you. Thank you, Malvika. Thank you for putting me onto this thing. And I think more than anything else, Kokila Benji, once again, more than anything else, I think it's the awareness that will come out of a campaign like this. People, women will be fearless, like how they come and talk about rape because nobody came out and talked. So similarly, I think awareness will be created. They'll come out and we can help more. All of us here in some way or the other. Thank you once again, everybody, for coming. All my people in this hall are people who are the dearest to me, who started my journey. They're all here. I will read my book, so we won't go through it again because it will just take again too much of the evening. All of you are here only because you're so close to me. It's a small group. Thank you, my family, who has given me enough time to pursue my passion. Thank you, Arjun, my darling Mandira. All of you have read and said such lovely things about me. I don't know how much I deserve, but I believe that. I think it's nice to be compassionate people. I understand where they come from. I think they see that. When I put that on, they see that. I think everybody here has it. So I think that same self-minded, like-minded people are here together. Thank you all for coming for this.
Well, first of all, I was in a boys' boarding school, so I don't know how it is. Maybe weird. Thank you, Dr. Smile. Thank you, Dr. Since all of you know, people who do this evil, they want their victims to be cast out of society. They want you to be frightened of them. They want that they have no hope in life. And by shining a light on their very, very courageous recovery and their lives, you have made sure that everyone has to know and should care. Really, really thank you for your care.
पूछना स्वीट से सवाल पूछना मुझे 2 मिनट में जाना है मैं नरेशन के लिए लेट हो रहा हूँ ठीक है
आज यहाँ पर
हाँ पूछना जल्दी से क्या फीलिंग स्किन बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत अच्छी महफिल जमी थी लोगों ने अच्छी अच्छी बातें की जमुना भाई जो मेरी डॉक्टर सालों से रह चुकी है लोग हमेशा अज्यूम करते हैं स्किन सिर्फ औरतों के लिए जरूरी होता है हिंदुस्तान में रहते हुए जो मर्द है दे शुड ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ इट एंड आई थिंक ये जो किताब है इट्स स्मॉल मेडिसिन फॉर मोस्ट मैन जो डरते हैं या कतराते हैं डॉक्टर के पास जाने से जब स्किन में पिंपल होते हैं या सन की वजह से स्किन खराब होता है तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इंकरेजिंग साइन जो लड़के डरते हैं या घबराते हैं कि अरे लड़कियां क्या सोचेंगी लड़कियां बहुत खुश तो जाना चाहिए डॉक्टर्स के पास
इवेंट्स भी और रेड कार्पेट से बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं आप शान हुआ करते थे अवार्ड फंक्शंस पर
नहीं यार मैं आ रहा था अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब फिल्म लगती है तब आपको आदत हो जाती है उसके बाद मैं खुद छुट्टी लेने गोवा गया था तो मैं हफ्ते भर गोवा में था अभी वापस आया हूँ तो अंदाज और फिल्म फेयर में आपसे मिलूंगा ही मिलूंगा मैं वहाँ परफॉर्म नहीं करूँगा जी हाँ मैं खुद कंफ्यूज था कि मैं आज अकेला गोपियों के बीच में कन्हैया बट व्हेन डॉक्टर पाई कॉल्स यू कांट से नो शी इज सो स्वीट शी इज सो काइंड शी इज ऑलवेज टेकन वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ मी एंड माय फैमिली माय मॉम यूज्ड टू गो टू हर माय सिस्टर गोज टू हर और जब भी कुछ मुश्किल आती है जैसे गुंडे की शूटिंग के बाद मुझे याद है मुझे सन बर्न हो गया था शी हैड मेड श्योर आई कुड इमीडिएटली टेक केयर ऑफ इट सो आई एम वेरी वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ हर दैट्स व्हाई यस लाइक दिस नहीं आप पूछ लीजिए पूछिए हाँ आप भी पूछिए फिर आप बोलोगे मिस कर रहे हो जी पूछिए हाँ अरे पूछिए ना सर यस Yes, he quoted Shah Rukh as well. I think the nicest speech that I heard today in the longest time is from Mrs. Ambani. Itni sweet speech thi. I couldn't see Mr. Obama's speech, but whatever little I read, it sounds like the ties between America and India are improving. So as long as our country is improving because of all these time, we should be selfish and worry about our country first, over and above who's coming in and out. As long as हमारी कंट्री की प्रगति हो रही है, उन्नति हो रही है, वो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है. तो इफ मिस्टर मोदी इज लीडिंग द कंट्री इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, इट्स ऑल वेल एंड गुड.